Hello, Namaste, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to discuss you about the premature ejaculation and how to cure it without medicine using a simple technique in acupressure. It will take only 1 minute to do this process, and you can do this for continuously 21 days, and you can eradicate premature ejaculation. So before going to do the demo of how to do the acupressure, let me explain about the premature ejaculation. In the new generation, according to the study, it shows that more than once in 10 people in a study conducted, most of them are facing premature ejaculation. So, in many studies shows that it is one of the main reasons for many divorce and many family problems, romance problem, love problem. These are family problem, and in some cases, divorce is also causing by this premature ejaculation. So it will one of the problem is it will affect the mentality and affect the family relation. It will exploit spoil the life both partners. So in medicine now there are so many delay sprays, delay cream, and tablets are available. But main problem is this having many side effects. It will permanently affect your fertilization, erectile disease. It will cause erectile dysfunction, and it will permanently damage your organs and hormonal system, and it will affect your whole system. So I'm all telling you, don't use these types of sprays or creams or anything on your body. This will affect your all organs and it will cause infertility, have many fertility issues. So please don't use this. And also I will tell you one thing also. In my channel I already updated two videos regarding premature ejaculation and hormonal problem that is based on the mudra therapy, and you can also try that one also. Now in this video I am telling about the acupressure. This acupressure is in hand between the index ring finger and the index finger. So this is an easy method. The main problem is the within 1 minute, and when you are doing the penetration, within 1 minute most of them get climax and ejaculation. So this is called premature ejaculation. So in various studies show that 1 out of 5 men having premature ejaculation without the age. These are the studies conducted by various universities. So now I will explain how to do this process. For this process you need a small stick, or if you don't have a acupressure stick, you can use a pen or a pencil, or a if you have a toothpick, or you can use your fingers also for acupressure. In before doing this I will also tell you that if you are doing acupressure, don't give high pressure, only give low pressure, small pressure to the points I am describing here. And another thing also, if you are doing this process, start on Friday, because Friday in astrologically Friday is considered as the auspicious day for the sexual function and the sexual organs and hormonal problem, because Venus planet is related to Friday, and astrologically it is related to Friday. So please start this process Friday if you are convenient. If you are not convenient, you can use another days also. And I am assure you 100% that this will cure the premature ejaculation completely. But you need to do this at least 21 days or 41 days, and you will get a good satisfied result, and your family life become good, and you can satisfy your partner completely. So these are the precautions, and you can do before doing this. Also, one precaution is in empty stomach you need to do this without eating food, and immediately please do this immediately after bathing. So preferably do it morning. Now I am going to start the demo process. Please watch carefully the video. Once more, namaste. Now I will show how to do this acupressure. So before that, I told you for this acupressure I am using one stick like this. If you don't have a stick, you can use the fingers for the acupressure. For giving pressure, you can use the finger, or you can use a matchstick. You have the matchstick, then you can use that stick, or just you can use any stick, like the tip must be like this, no problem, or you can use your hands over the pencil, no problem. So now see, by this mudra, not mudra, by this acupressure, you can cure the premature ejaculation easily. Before going to do this, let's have something I tell you. If you are doing this process, you need to start from Friday, because Friday is considered to be an astrological. Also, Friday is considered to be more related to the sexual problems, sexual organs related issues. It denotes the Venus, planet Venus. Planet Venus is depend on the sexual problems and the sexual organs, hormonal imbalance like that. So Friday is depend on the Venus. So you can start this process from Friday. If you are not free in Friday, you can start in other days, no problem. But better if you start it is on Friday. So for this process, first I marked the point here. So this point must be between the middle finger and the ring finger. See, middle finger and ring finger. Between the two, the point must be careful, and middle finger and ring finger. Between the two fingers, the point is here. Between the two fingers, the point is here. So it is easy to determine the point, because it is an easy point here. This is an easy point you can determine between the middle finger and ring finger. Between that, the point I have marked in green color for your. You need to know that I have marked in green color the point. So then see this, just touch here with the stick, or you can use the finger. Just touch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So you must touch this point for 21 times, and I have done for this hand. Same way you need to do this for this hand also. You need to do this on both the hands. 21 touch on this hand and 21 touch on this hand. Here also the same way, between the middle finger and the ring finger, the point will be here. You need to use your hand or the stick. You need to press here 21 times. So this process is very much easy process, and you need to continue this method, this process, while starting from Friday to minimum 21 days or maximum 41 days. I prefer maximum 41 days, or you can do at least 21 days. Then you can definitely feel the change in your body. Your premature ejaculation must be completely cured by this process. So you can try this, and I'm sure, 100% sure, this is a tested method. You can try. And thank you. Now I will say the precautions, everything.